Welcome to BrainBusters. Today we will be testing your knowledge about the human body. The quiz will be 35 questions total. The questions will be classified as easy, medium, hard, or the most difficult of them all, BrainBusters. Give yourself a point for each correct answer you get. The final 5 questions are BrainBusters, so those are worth double points. Without further ado, let's get started, shall we? First up, the easy questions. What is the largest organ of the human body? The correct answer is skin. Covering an area of about 20 square feet, the skin accounts for approximately 16% of a person's body weight. How many bones are there in the adult human body? The correct answer is 206. As babies, we start with about 270 bones, but many fuse together as we grow. What are the 2 major components of blood? The correct answer is plasma and cells. Plasma makes up about 55% of blood's volume, while cells make up the rest. What is the hardest substance in the human body? The correct answer is tooth enamel. This substance is harder than steel, but can be broken much more easily due to its brittleness. What is the name of the tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach? The correct answer is the esophagus. It's approximately 25 centimeters long in adults and functions as a critical part of the digestive system. What is the body's largest internal organ? The correct answer is the liver. This organ performs over 500 functions, including detoxification of harmful substances in the body. Which part of the human body does the heart supply with blood? The correct answer is the entire body. The heart pumps blood through a network of arteries and veins, reaching every cell in the body. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The correct answer is the stapes. Located in the ear, this bone measures just 2.8 millimeters. Which organ allows humans to sense touch? The correct answer is the skin. The skin has millions of sensory nerve endings that make touch perception possible. How many lungs does the human body have? The correct answer is 2. The lungs enable the process of respiration, allowing us to inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. On to the medium questions. What is the function of the amygdala in the human brain? The correct answer is processing emotions, part of the limbic system, and plays a key role in managing responses like fear and pleasure. What is the main function of the pancreas? The correct answer is to produce insulin and digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down food, and insulin regulates the body's blood sugar levels. Which blood cells are responsible for clotting? The correct answer is platelets. They clump together to plug the site of a wound and prevent excessive bleeding. What is the primary role of red blood cells in the human body? The correct answer is transporting oxygen. Red blood cells contain a hemoglobin that binds with oxygen and carries it to cells throughout the body. What is the name of the largest bone in the human body? The correct answer is the femur. It's also known as the thigh bone and can support 30 times the weight of a person's body. Which part of the brain is responsible for controlling voluntary movements? The correct answer is the cerebellum. It also helps maintain posture, balance, and coordination. What's the name of the protein that makes up hair and nails in the human body? The correct answer is keratin. Keratin is a type of fibrous protein and also forms the outer layer of skin. What are the 3 types of muscles in the human body? The correct answer is smooth, skeletal, and cardiac. Each type has a unique function. What are the primary components of the human immune system? The correct answer is white blood cells, antibodies, the complement system, and the lymphatic system. They work together to fight off harmful invaders like... What is the body's normal temperature in Fahrenheit? The correct answer is 98.6 degrees. However, this can vary slightly depending on the person and the time of day. Next up, the hard questions. What is the name of the junction between 2 neurons? The correct answer is synapse. At the synapse, signals are transmitted from one neuron to another. What's the name of the area in the retina where vision is the sharpest? The correct answer is the fovea. It's densely packed with cones, the cells responsible for color vision. Which organ produces bile, a substance necessary for digestion? The correct answer is the liver. Bile helps break down fats and eliminate waste products from the blood. What hormone does the pineal gland produce? The correct answer is melatonin. This hormone helps regulate sleep patterns in humans. What's the name of the longest nerve in the human body? The correct answer is the sciatic nerve. It runs from the lower back through the buttocks and down the legs. What part of the cell is responsible for breaking down waste materials and cellular debris? The correct answer is the lysosome, known as the cell's garbage disposal. What is the function of the hypothalamus in the human brain? The correct answer is regulating the body's vital functions. These include hunger, thirst, body temperature, and sleep. Which gland in the human body is known as the master gland? The correct answer is the pituitary gland. It produces hormones that control many functions of other endocrine glands. What's the name of the pigment that gives skin, hair, and eyes their color? The correct answer is melanin. It also helps protect the skin from harmful UV radiation. Which part of the brain regulates long-term memory and spatial navigation? The correct answer is the hippocampus. Damage to the hippocampus can lead to memory loss and difficulty navigating. All right, it's time for the BrainBusters. Give it your best shot. What's the name of the phenomenon where your second toe is longer than your big toe? The correct answer is Morton's toe. It's a genetic trait that appears in approximately 10–20% of the population. What is the name of the protein complex that allows muscles to contract? The correct answer is actin and myosin. They form cross bridges and slide past one another during muscle contraction. What is the rarest blood type in the world? The correct answer is AB negative. It's present in less than 1% of the population worldwide. What's the name of the human body's only bone that doesn't articulate with any other bone? The correct answer is the hyoid bone. It's located in the throat, supports the tongue, and aids in speech and swallowing. Which human chromosome is the only one not to exist in a pair in a normal human cell? The correct answer is the Y chromosome. Typically, males have one X and one Y chromosome, while females have two X chromosomes. Thanks for watching. Comment below your final score and what topic we should quiz you on next time. Did you get any of the BrainBusters today? Browse our channel for more quizzes like this one and make sure to subscribe.